What's up, guys? It's Justin. We're doing a skin fade again, curly top this time. We're gonna hop right into it. We're gonna take our 2-guard. We're gonna work our way up to the crown area while leaving some bulk in the crown so we have some movement and some shape. And then we're gonna take our wall clipper, close it all the way, and put that skin line just below the temple peak point. And we're gonna follow that around the head. From there, we're going to open up our wall clipper, no guard on it, and make a line about 1/4 of an inch above that skin line. And then working that lever like normal, we're going to kind of just gradually fade that line out. From there, we'll put our 1 guard on, open it up, start just above that line, and kind of gradually fade that line out, closing the clipper using our lever on the side, up and down as you need to go. You can kind of see me working with the lever there. Then after that 1 line's faded out to the best, I will then put my 1/16 guard on and work out whatever's left. And if you open up a 1/16, it equals almost about a 1.5, so you have a lot of room to work using that 1/16 guard. I highly recommend using it for sure. Go out and get it if you don't have it. And then from there, we'll take our trimmer and just take off the rest of that little hair hanging. I kind of just faded a little differently this time, just to I was getting bored at work, so I switched it up a little bit. Then following his natural hairline to the best of my ability while keeping it sharp, I'll outline his edges and kind of just clean them up. Once that's finished, I'll start blending the sides in with the shear over comb. I think I said it before and I'll say it again. The moving blade on your shear should always act as if it's the moving blade on your clipper when you're shear over combing it. And then from there, I'll wet the top down. And you'll see me pull it up down like a mohawk down the center where I get my guideline, and then from there I go across from side to side to match everything. Once the top's trimmed, I'll comb the front down and point cut the bangs, and I cut them with a point cut on an angle, so that way when he puts them down, they're not flat, like completely blunt bangs. They have some more texture to them. And then since Ryan's hair is curly and we're working on keeping that natural curl pattern, I just purchased a diffuser, and I'm using it on a lot of curly hair now because it's wider, covers more area, and it allows people with curly hair to keep that natural curl pattern without having to use like a vent brush or anything like that. And then I'll style it up with, again, Volt's Surf Salt Spray. I'll throw it, and then I'll hit it with a cold shot on the blow dryer to kind of just lock in the curl and the spray. And it gives it the ultimate texture and hold. And there it is, the final product. Thank you for listening and watching today. If you guys have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out on Instagram, YouTube, whatever the case may be. I would be happy to answer your DMs or anything like that. Stay tuned and keep watching for more.